Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage topics on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first enter TikTok, then click on this on your profile section, then click on these three lines and go to the settings and privacy, and next go to the content preferences, and here we have this section, the manage topics. So as you see here, if you want to manage this section, you have to manage the creative arts and the current affairs, the dance, the fashion and beauty, and etc. And click save and it will be saved. So that's how to manage topics easy and quickly on your TikTok account. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.